Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install Python in Windows 10. So let's get started. So to install Python, go to python.org/download and click on the download Python. Now the version might change depending on when you see this video. So the current version is 3.9.5, so I'll download that. So now once it is downloaded, I'll click on it to install. So now click on the Add Python 3.9 to path and click on Install Now. Okay, so now the installation is successful. So let's go ahead and check our installation. So to check our installation, we'll just hit Windows and R and type in CMD and hit enter. And now I'll type in Python. And as you can see, the Python is already installed. So this was all. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.